Think crypto's next millionaires will come from meme coins? Think again. The next generation of wealth is being built quietly, right now, through three unstoppable trends. These aren't hype cycles, they're structural shifts, reshaping how money, technology, and regulations move on chain. So today, I'm breaking down the three trends, creating the next crypto millionaires. 2025 is slowing down to be the Wild West. Regulators are giving clarity. Institutions are building quietly. Retail is asleep, but the few paying attention will make life-changing money. We're witnessing a new financial system being built right on chain. So trend number one, the great tokenization boom. Tokenization of real-world assets, RWAs, is bringing trillions from traditional finance into crypto. BlackRock's Build Fund on Ethereum already holds nearly $3 billion. This isn't theory. This is Wall Street moving on chain. FIT21 and stablecoin regulation created the framework. BCG projects this market could reach trillions by 2030. So the key message here, the bridge between Wall Street and blockchain has already formed. Trend number two, DeFi is growing up. So DeFi 1.0 was chaos, anonymous teams, unaudited contracts, unsustainable yields. DeFi 2.0 is compliance first, KYC, public audits, stable collateral. Stablecoins are now transparent and reserve-backed. VC money is consolidating into blue-chip protocols that survive cycles. The casino is fading. The banks of Web3 are rising. And the key message here is DeFi 2.0 equals compliance, security, and scalability. And if you're liking this content, please smash that like, subscribe, and stay sharp. So trend number three, the fusion of AI and crypto. While everybody's chasing the next chatbot, the real revolution is AI merging with crypto. AI now runs trading bots, audits smart contracts, detects hacks before they happen. Decentralized AI networks let anyone rent GPU power or deploy agents on chain. When AI starts interacting with DeFi autonomously, that's intelligence plus capital. The AI crypto market cap is already in the billions. The key message here is AI plus blockchain equals intelligent and autonomous finance. Tokenization, DeFi 2.0, AI plus crypto, three forces reshaping the future of money. Retail will notice when it's probably too late. Winners act before it's obvious. Drop your take in the comments. Which trend will create the most new millionaires? Tokenization, DeFi 2.0, or AI and crypto? Remember to trade structure, not emotion. Thanks for tuning into this one, and cheers.